So today, while I'm running solo out here, I'm going to be pedaling with this. I pulled the starter off because we was having an issue with the Bendix kicking out mid-cycle when it was trying to crank the engine up. This is a 56 Chevrolet 150 sedan, all original, 235 straight six, 3 on the tree. So it's rough, but it's got a lot of potential. So we're going to try to bring it back to glory some. Since I got the starter off, I found a lot of corrosion and everything on the terminal, so I think we was having a grounding issue. So I'm gonna clean all that up, put it back on, and see if it'll turn over longer. And then this front wheel's locked up. I think the shoe is stuck to the drum, so I'm gonna take that tire off and see if I can free it up so we can get it to the shop, because I don't like working out here in this wet grass with all the rain we've gotten. So stay tuned and let's make some magic. Alright, so here's the starter. Big old starter for a 6-cylinder too, but as you can tell, this thing is 60 something years old. Of course. I hope it's still good. I know it's good, but I hope it still works. So the only way I found to get this top nut out was with my welding clamp. I don't know if y'all can see that. See the light on. There's no room to do nothing right there. All right, I got the starter hooked back up. So let's see what it'll do. power. Oh, not good. Not good at all. Oof. That motor might be bad. Well, guys, that fixer started cleaning it, taking it apart, or not apart, but taking it off, cleaning all the terminals and all the connections. It's working, but now it sounds like it's eating the bottom end of the motor up. So I'm gonna call this right here a day for now, and we will figure out what our next step's gonna be, and y'all be the first to know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.